Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made these two skull topiaries using items found at the Dollar Tree. This project was super easy to make and cost me under $11 to make for two of them. And I just went ahead and put this in front of my entertainment center, but this project would look really cute in front of a fireplace or on the side of the fireplace or even on your front porch. So if you're interested in seeing how I created these topiaries, then just keep watching. The first thing I did was spray paint these two Halloween buckets black, and I really liked the shape of them. I thought they looked like a planter, and if you don't want to mess around with spray paint, you can also use the little black cauldrons that Dollar Tree sells right now. I used these bamboo skewers that I found in the cooking section during the summer at Dollar Tree. If you cannot find these in your store, you can also use some wooden dowels. You might just have to poke a hole in the top of the skull because these skewers have a pointy end, which makes it a little bit easier to push through the skull. And I apologize if this craft seems kind of morbid, but this is how I did it. I just poked that skewer through the top, and I kind of felt around with my finger, and carefully putting my hand on the back of the skull, I pushed it through. And make sure you take the stickers off before you start this craft. It'll make things a lot easier for you. And you see they kind of go through pretty easily. I mean, it didn't take a lot of pressure to poke these through. And again, just be careful when you are pushing it through the bottom to make sure that your fingers are out of the way so you don't accidentally poke yourself. And so each topiary is going to have 3 skulls, and at the Dollar Tree they have 3 different shades or designs of skull. So I just used 3 different ones to kind of make it look a little more realistic. You could definitely spend some time and paint these to make them look even more realistic if you want. Next, I just use a couple of pieces of scrap styrofoam that came in some packaging from a piece of furniture that I bought. And if you don't have styrofoam, you could also use the floral foam blocks that Dollar Tree sells, and you would just hot glue it to the bottom. I could not hot glue styrofoam in because if you've ever tried to hot glue styrofoam, it just melts directly into the styrofoam. So I just set those down, and I put the skewer in between, and I kind of turned it and messed with it to get it to stand up straight. Once the skulls were in place, I just trimmed off the excess dowel. And I end up using 2 different kinds of moss from the Dollar Tree. One is this Spanish brown moss, and I'm just filling in the top on top of that styrofoam, and then using some hot glue to put a little bit of that moss on the spots where I missed with the spray paint. And please use finger protectors if you have them. I don't know how many times I have burned my fingers because I never learn. And the last thing I did was just use my hot glue gun and go around and randomly put some of both the green and brown moss in different spots. Like right here, I am putting some moss that's growing out of one of the eye sockets. And I just wanted it to look like it had been sitting and aging, and like the skulls had been growing moss for a long time. And I kind of just add a toupee of moss on some of the skulls. And you could definitely do a lot with this. You don't have to stop here. You could add some lights to it. You could add a raven or a one of those flameless candles to the top. There's all different kinds of possibilities that you could do with this project, but I was fine with how it looked for my decor. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So until next time, thanks for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Bye.